Okay, it's been a while since I posted, but being that we're all sitting around at home looking for projects to do, I thought I'd dig into a project that I've held off with for a couple of years now. And if you're wondering, this is the second project I've taken on with my current bike, which is a 2014 Tarmac S-Works SL4. And I'll go into the first project, which was fixing the bottom bracket problem on that bike, which is kind of well known. So this is project two, which is taking apart these beautiful Roval CLX 32 carbon wheels with ceramic speed bearings. These are uh, uh, aerolite spokes. For the most part, they've mixed them up a little bit, but the aerolite spokes on what is essentially a DT Swiss 240 hub internals, I think, with ceramic speed bearings. Um, and you're probably crying as you see that I've taken this thing apart. But a problem I've had with it, as nice as these wheels were, they weren't what I wanted with the bike. Um, but they came with the bike. I got a good deal on the bike. And two problems I knew of. One, the bottom bracket, which if somebody's interested, I'll talk about what I did to fix that press fit bottom bracket problem. And these, which are a beautiful super light wheel set, but I'm not a super light guy. I rode these a little bit. Yeah, it comes with a Durace cassette, which is what you'd expect for S-Works. And yeah, I'm trying to fix this problem of not liking these wheels much. I just find them too flimsy for me. I'm a pretty big guy, and when I climb up some steep hills, I just can't get to like these wheels. They're just too they're too much of a lightweight climbing wheel for me. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix that problem with this. It's Chris King R45 road hub that I got on sale just recently. Got it for nearly half price. I've always wanted to try Chris King hub, and so I'm going to try to take this hub and put it on this rim and see if I like these wheels again. So I'm not going to do anything with the front wheel. I don't think that's really all that important to do. I might maybe get a matching hub at some point, but I'm going to try to rebuild this wheel, this Roval CLX 32 carbon rim, with my new Chris King R45 hub. I've ordered some just standard double butted spokes for it, nothing too fancy, but just strong and durable spokes. The DT Aerolites, by the way, are a beautiful spoke. They're really quite nice. I kind of wish I could have reused them, which I know isn't a great idea anyway, but these are obviously straight pull. I'm going to use J-bend. You can kind of, obviously, this is a hub that requires a J-bend spoke, which I prefer anyway. So to strengthen this wheel, I'm going to, instead of doing a radial spoke pattern on the non-drive side, I'm going to do two cross, both non-drive and drive. And I'm hoping the little bigger flange, which will mean a little shorter spoke, I'm hoping will be a little sturdier, a little stiffer ride. But that remains to be seen. So, let me know how much of this you want me to show. I'm going to guess people don't really care about lacing videos anymore. There's plenty of those online. I think I lace wheels a little differently than other people, but let me know how much of it you want to see. I will show different parts of it as I complete the build, and I'll let you know how it worked. I'm skeptical that it's going to make a big difference, but I'm hoping it will make a difference because these are just too nice a wheel not to like. And if I can make them, if I can enjoy them again, or enjoy them, period, I think if it takes a bit of work, I'm happy to do it. So we'll see what happens. All right. Yeah. Take care, and I'll let you know how I progress. Bye for now.